Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to add your username on Telegram. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Telegram. Then you can see 3 vertical lines. At top left corner, click on it. Then click on Settings option. You can see their username option. Click on it. Then write there your username. Then click on Tick option at top right corner. Finally guys, in this way, you can easily add your username on Telegram.